Hi everyone, I'm Neha from Adapt Affairs. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space, then I have something perfect for you. A premium garden gazebo with hard rooftop is just what you need. It's not just an ordinary shade, but it's a perfect blend of space, comfort, luxury, and functionality. Come, let me show you this product. It's a 3 by 3 meter garden gazebo. It has ample of space here, easy to accommodate 6 to 8 people. You can even keep a dining table out here along with few chairs. It's perfect for lounging with your family and friends. This frame is made up of high grade aluminum metal. This is super strong, robust. This will not wobble even a bit. There are pre-drilled holes at the bottom of this gazebo tent. You can actually nail this gazebo to the ground. Also, the frame will not rust, so it is perfect for outdoor use. This garden gazebo is meant to be used for a permanent setup. It is meant to handle and built to handle high wind pressure and harsh weather conditions. Let's talk about the roof. This garden gazebo is not made up of those typical ordinary canopy covers, but it is made up of hard roof. This is a polycarbonate hard sheet. It has a UV coating on it. It will protect you from harsh UV rays and also from unexpected rains. This glassy effect will give you a great private time, but at the same time it will let natural light flow in, keeping you dry and cool at all times. It's not over yet. This gazebo comes with two types of curtains. One is this zipped mosquito net. It will protect you from mosquitoes and insects and keep you bite free all evening. Along with this comes these private opaque curtains. These will let you have a private time inside. So if you're planning to place this gazebo on your terrace, your garden or your rooftop, don't you worry, your neighbors will not be able to peep in. It's not over yet. This gazebo comes with two curtains. One is this zipped mosquito net. It will protect you from mosquito and insects, especially during evening, and keep you mosquito free. This is an opaque curtain, which these are also privacy curtains. It will let you have private time with your family and friends. So if you're placing this gazebo on your terrace, your garden or your rooftop, your neighbors will not be able to peep in. This is a perfect garden gazebo for your outdoor space and your garden. We deliver pan India. Assembly is very easy and the prices are super affordable. We have limited stock, so you can book yours now.